Welcome to this tutorial on how to convert fiat to crypto on crypto.com. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills needed to successfully convert your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. First, you need to create an account on crypto.com if you don't already have one. Go to the crypto.com website and click on Sign Up. Then follow the registration process. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing the required documents. After verifying your account, log in and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Buy tab. Then select the fiat currency you want to use for the conversion, such as US dollars. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of fiat currency you want to convert. You can either enter the amount manually or use the provided calculator to determine the amount based on the current market price. Make sure to review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Once you have confirmed the transaction details, click on the Buy button to complete the conversion. The cryptocurrency will be deposited into your crypto.com wallet, and you can view your balance on the dashboard. It is essential to note that the conversion process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency you are buying. Additionally, make sure to follow best practices, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your account information up to date, to ensure the security of your account and assets. In conclusion, converting fiat to crypto on crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following this guide and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily and securely convert your fiat currency into cryptocurrency and start exploring the world of digital assets.